Good morning, students. Today we are coming back to our revision part of your chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. In the previous lecture we discussed about the distance formula. Today we will be discussing about the section formula. As you can see on the board, I have made a figure. There is a line segment joining the points A and B. The coordinates of A x1 y1 and the coordinates of B x2 y2, and there is a point P which is lying between these 2 points, which is dividing these 2 points in a ratio m1 is to m2, and the coordinates of this point P are given by x comma y. Right? So you can see whenever a line joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is divided by 2 parts, divided in 2 parts by a point P x comma y in the ratio AP is to PB. AP is to PB. In what ratio? M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2. Then the coordinates of P are given by the section formula. And what is that section formula? P, that is the x coordinate of this point P. M1 into x2. M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 upon M1 plus M2. That is the x coordinate of this point P. When we talk about the y coordinate, it is M1 into y2. M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 upon M1 plus M2. Clear? This is the section formula to find the coordinates of the point which divides the line in certain ratio. Now this ratio in your textbook it is given M1, M2, in some textbook it is given M and N, so it is not a worry, it can be anything. Clear? Now there is one case over there. If this point B is dividing this AB in 2 equal parts, that means supposing this line segment is 4 cm, it is divided into 2 cm, this point B is exactly 2 cm in between. So we say that this point P is the midpoint of this line. If point P divides AB in the ratio AP is to PB, that is 1 is to 1. If the line is 2 cm, 2 cm, the ratio is 1 is to 1. Then we say P is the midpoint. And the coordinates of the midpoint are given by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now from where does this formula come? It comes from the same. Just check. If the ratio is equal 1 is to 1, so 1 into x2, x2 plus 1 into x1, x1 that is x1 plus x2 upon 1 plus 1 that is 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1, y1 plus y2 upon 1 plus that is 2. Clear? So this exercise 7.2 is based on your section formula and midpoint formula. Question number 1 is direct application of the section formula. You can see the ratio is given to us. Ratio says find the coordinates of the point which divides -1 comma 7 and 4 comma -3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. The ratio is 2 is to 3. Coordinates are given to you. You just have to know. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about question number 2 and question number 9 today. Question number 2 says find the coordinates, that is exercise 7.2. Question number 2. I am making a figure so that it is clear for you. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the point this and this. This is the line segment, say A and B. Joining the points A 4 comma -1, 4 comma -1 and -2 comma -3. -2 comma -3. Now this line segment is trisection, 3 equal parts. Trisection means 3 equal parts. So 3 equal parts, let us assume that this is one part, this is another part. This is point P and this is point Q. And trisected means it is divided into 3 equal parts. Can you see that? AP is one part, PQ is another part, QB is another part. These 3 parts are equal. Trisection, if it is equal, will the ratio be 1 is to 1 is to 1? Yes or no? AP is to PQ is to QB. The ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1. Can you see that? In question number 9 it says find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A and B in 4 equal parts. 9th question, it says joining the points A and B in 4 equal parts. A and B. The coordinates of A are given by -2, 2 and coordinates of B are given by 2, 8. Yes, and it is divided in 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts, can you see? This is the half and then this and this. Now 4 equal parts, P, Q, R. All these parts are equal. The ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. The only difference in this question and this question, here it is trisection and here it is 4 equal sections. Clear? Now both the questions we can do by any of these methods. In both the questions, section formula is applicable. Here, midpoint formula can also be applied. Where C. If I talk about this point P, or sorry, question number 2, just check. So 3 parts are there. I cannot say that P is the midpoint of AP. I cannot say Q is the midpoint of AP, but I can say that Q is the midpoint of PB. Yes or no? The ratio is 1 is to 1. If I have the coordinates of this point P, then I can apply midpoint formula. Is it? Yes. Same way, this P is the midpoint of AQ. Ratio is 1 is to 1. If I have the coordinates of Q, we can find it. We come down to here. Just check. Can I say that this Q is the midpoint of AB? Check. AQ and QB. The ratio is 2 is to 2, that is 1 is to 1. In class 8, we have done ratio and proportion. Ratio is always in the lowest term. So the ratio Q is the midpoint of AB. Then P is the midpoint of AQ. And R is the midpoint of Q. Agreed? So this question can be done straightforward by midpoint formula. So here we will be discussing about question number 2, where we can apply section formula, we have to apply, and then midpoint formula both. Let us talk about this point Q or P first. The point P divides AB in the ratio AP is to PB. Check now. AP is to PB. 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. Yes or no? AP and PB. You can clearly see that. Now, so therefore, the coordinates of P are given by which formula? Section formula. And the formula is right there on the board. I am not writing the formula again. You have to write. Clear? The M1 into X2. Now check. We are taking which? I am slightly removing this. AP is to PB. The ratio is 1 is to 2. So let us apply the section formula. M1 into X2. M1 into X2. So 1 into -2 plus M2 into X1. M2 into X1. 2 into 4 upon M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 2. Can you see that? And similarly then Y coordinate, M1 into Y2, M1 into Y2 minus 1 into -3 plus M2 into M2 into Y1, 2 into -1. And putting them in bracket, 1 plus 2. Can you see that? Simple application of the formula. Solve it. P into 1 into -2 plus 2 4s are 8 upon 1 plus 2 3. 1 into -3 -3. 2 into -1 -2 upon 1 plus 2. Correct? Clear? So -2 plus 8, 6 upon 3, comma -3 and -2, -5 upon 3. So 6 upon 3 is what? 2, comma -5 by 3. So the coordinates of P are 2, comma -5 by 3. I hope it is clear. 2, comma -5 by 3. Is it? Clear? So if you talk about Q point, now check this Q. Is this Q the midpoint of PB? Yes. So we can use midpoint formula as well. Now Q is the midpoint. Q is the midpoint of PB. Clearly we can see that the ratio is 1:1. That is PQ is to QB is equal to 1:1. Right? Right? So now, therefore, the coordinates of Q are given by midpoint formula, and the midpoint formula is right there for you. X1 plus X2. Now the question X1 will change. Why? We are talking about which points? P and D. So this is X1, X2, Y1, Y2. So therefore coordinates of Q X1 2 plus Y2 X2 minus 2 upon 2, Y1 minus 5/3 plus Y2 minus 3 upon 2. Right? We have just applied midpoint. We could have done it by section formula also, but I wanted to show you both so that it is midpoint as well as solid. Q 2 plus into minus 2 upon 2 comma minus 5/3 plus into minus 3 by 2 minus 2 0 upon 2 comma minus 5/3 and minus 3 by 1. The LCM is 3. 2 is here. LCM is 3 minus 5 minus 1 goes in 3 times 3 is 9. So Q is equals to 0 upon 2 0 minus 5 and minus 9 minus 14 upon 3 comes over here 3 into 2. So Q is equals to 0 comma 2 ones are 2 sevens are minus 7 by. So that is the coordinates of P and I hope it is clear, students. Please practice question number 9. You can do it by section formula, you can do it by midpoint formula. If I talk about section formula for this question, just check. Is this P dividing the line AB in the ratio AP is to PB? That is 1:3. If I talk about Q, it divides AB in the ratio 2:2. That is midpoint. If I talk about R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. You can do it by section formula, you can do it by midpoint formula as well. Clear? So this is question number 2 and question number 9. If I talk about question number 6, it is based on the property of a parallelogram. You can see example number 10 on the page beside the same question. Alright? There is nothing new, it is the same as example number 10. Take a look at question number 7. It says find the coordinates of A when AB is the diameter. I hope you must have checked it, you must have done it. Let us just clear this and come down to question number 7. It says AB is the diameter of the circle. Question number 7. This is a circle and this is the diameter AB. And we know the diameter passes through the center. Center is given by the point O. Let us say find the coordinates of A when AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1, 4. Can you see that? Isn't it? So he is telling us to find this coordinates x1 and y1. A. We all know that O is the center of the circle, OA is the radius, OB is the radius, both are equal. Can I say this O is the midpoint of AB? That is the center of the circle, is the midpoint of the diameter. we know center O of a circle is the midpoint of diameter AB. Yes or no? So therefore, the coordinates of O are given by midpoint formula. Now here we have calculated the midpoint. Here the midpoint is already given to us. This O is the midpoint of AB. So the coordinates of O, that is 2, minus 3 is equals to, given by which formula? Midpoint formula. x1 plus x2, x1 plus 1 upon 2, y1 plus y2, y1 plus 4 upon, isn't it? Yes? Equate coefficient of x to coefficient of x and coefficient of y to coefficient of y. So therefore 2 is equals to x1 plus 1 upon 2 and minus 3 is equals to y1 plus 4 upon 2. 2 is cross multiplied, 2 2s are 4 is equals to x1 plus 1 plus 1 comes over here. So 4 minus 1 is equals to x1. So therefore 3 is equals to x1. Right? When we come over here, 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 is equals to y1 plus 4. So minus 6, y plus 4 comes over, minus 4 is equals to y1. So therefore, minus 10 is equals to y1. Therefore, the coordinates of A are 3, minus. Clear? That was application of section formula. Clear, students? So today I hope you can do question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, question number 6, 7, 9 and 10. 10th question, hint is already given to you. Please go through the hint and solve it. You can do it. Okay. One important question is left. Sorry, two rather. Question number 4 and 5. That we will be doing in the next lecture because it is application of your section formula. Clear? Thank you very much. Please stay at home and work hard.